All right, guys. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to recap what we've learned in the last few videos, like I've showed you on how to find owner financing land deals. So yeah, let's do this. So first is let's hop on Land Watch. And I can show you the owner financing thing that we've looked at before. So let's just say let's go somewhere else. Let's go to Arizona. Okay, Arizona. So I'm going to look for land in the state of Arizona, and that looks like a nice house. Okay, we're going to look for land under 50,000, and then we are going to scroll all the way down. On the left-hand side here, as you can see, there's one box called owner financing. So you can click on that box and you can see that there were 3,200 listings below, which were all cash, like the sellers only wanted cash. And then now you have a small group of listings, which is still 550. And that's the thing, is you only need one. And you can see that these are properties that have owner financing available. So let's look at this thing right here. So 1 acre lot near the Grand Canyon, 14,000, and they'll offer owner financing. So let's see what terms they want on this, if that's listed. Okay. So it seems like the seller did not mention, or let's see if they did. Okay. So they didn't mention exactly what the terms are for owner financing, which is normal. So what you would want to do is you would fill out the form right here and you would reach out to them and just say, hey, what are your terms on owner financing? So that is how to do that on LandWatch. And next is the realtor tip. So if you are looking for property in an area that seems interesting, you can call the realtor and ask them, hey, I am looking for land with owner, like this, that the seller will offer owner financing. So do you know any pieces of property that do have that available? And sometimes these realtors, they work in that market. They know a lot of sellers. They're the ones that have access to those deals. And if you ask the realtor, sometimes that's the way that you can get the best deals sent to you. And you're like, hey, okay, my budget is I want to buy a property around 50 to 60,000. I have $10,000 to put down, and the rest of it I would like to make payments, or whatever your budget is. You can use a realtor, and that's like a thing that not a lot of people do. And when you do that, you get the lion's share of listings, and it's just it's a little secret hack that I've done over the last few years. It's just you build relationships, you talk to people, and you tell them what you're looking for, and you will receive. Okay, so the next one, of course, we offer owner financing on all of our properties. Onceuponabrick.com. If you have any questions, you can check out our website or call us. And we're not the only ones. There's a lot of other companies, as you will see when you start doing some research, that offer owner financing on properties. Okay, guys. So the next video is one thing. What I'm going to make is about how to talk to the counties, right? Like, meaning you identified a property and you want to get some information. Sometimes people find this intimidating to call the assessor's office or the zoning office, and I'm going to show you how to talk to them. They're very useful most of the time. And yeah, so let's move on to